1, 2, 3, go! Once again, this is your senior citizen vlogger, Apo Jabay Knowledge Channel. And good morning to all of you, all OFW working abroad, many different countries, especially those who are working in Saudi Arabia and other parts of Middle East like in Qatar, in Oman, in Kuwait. Many friends working in Middle East that are watching on Apo Jabay Knowledge Channel. Or I will proceed to my vlog number 17, present currencies of India. I would like to give a special thanks. Thank you very much to all the 365 subscribers who've been watching on my video. To all OFWs who've been watching on the channel of Apo Jabay. Mabuhay po kayong lahat at kumusta kayong lahat, naway maging safe po tayong lahat sa COVID-19. My friends from Abu Dhabi and also Dubai, United Arab Emirates, also some other friends who are working in Hong Kong. Very special shout out to all of you mga kabayan. I know that as a OFW also, I know you are sacrificing for your family. But besides of the pandemic that we are encountering now, we are still working very hard for a better life on our family here in the Philippines. So I salute every OFW who's working and leaving their families working on different countries. These videos, I would like to share with you my collection of Indian currencies that they are using in India right now. All of you guys and all of you kabayans, please watch my videos till the end. So this is the part 1 of my currencies of India. So there is a part 2 of this vlog, of this video. The part 2 which I will show you the old currencies of government of India. If you notice that after my vlog of Batang Saudi part 1 and Batang Saudi part 2, I choose to be my next vlog is the currencies of India. As my vivid memories reflects on my mind during my stay in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. This is the time that when I'm working in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia with my collection, I'm going to develop my collection day by day. Many Indian brothers that are my workmates and even my colleagues that they are helping me to grow my collections when I am working in King Fahd Hospital in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. That's why after the currency, I showed you the currencies of Saudi Arabia. I would like to show you now the currencies of the government of India, which I have so many Sadiq also, or so many friends. They help me with my collections. As I will give them a shout out on the end of this video. So now on our subject, the currencies of the government of India. This is the present currencies that they are using now in entire India. So my dear friends, this is the notes or the current set of the Reserve Bank of India that I would like to share with you. The 6 pieces denomination incomplete set bearing the portrait of Mahatma Gandhi. The beautiful set of the Reserve Bank of India. From 2,000 rupees, 500 rupees, 200 rupees, 50 rupees, 10 rupees, and the 1 rupee. I obtained or I swapped these notes to a very dear friend of mine, a fellow collector from India, in the name of Sir Junaid Laliwala. Shout out to you, Sir June, to your family. Thank you very much for these notes as you give me the opportunity to have a collection of these beautiful banknotes of your country. Also, my special shout out to a fellow collector also from India, notes from Sir Pasuplati Bibek that I will show to you on the part 2 of the Reserve Bank of India. This is the reverse side of the notes, which I will discuss them to you one by one from 2,000 rupees to 1 rupee. So to start with this 2,000 rupees denomination, which is dated 2017, but the first issue there's a dated 2016, and there are some other type 2,000 rupees, the other with letter R, and this one is the plain issue, or there is no letter R. The Mahatma Gandhi at left center, and also at the Ashoka pillar at right, the windowed security thread, and also please note that there is marks for the blind on both sides. The Reserve Bank of India on the top right, on the top heading. Also the Governor of RBI, or the Reserve Bank of India, the signature of Governor Urjit Patel. On the back side is the motif of Mangalyahan, the year date 2017 on the top left, and also the three denominations of 2,000 rupees in three corners, followed by the 500 rupees with a beautiful color of olive green. Also Mahatma Gandhi on the left center, the Ashoka pillar at right, and also the windowed security thread, marks for the blind on both sides. As you notice, the serial number is in telescopic serial number, bearing the signature, the same signature of the 2,000 rupees, the Governor of Reserve Bank of India, Urjit Patel. And on the back side is red port with Indian flag. Also the year date 2016 on the top left of the note. There is other types of 500 rupees also with the type letter E, letter L, and letter R, and this is the plain issue. And there is also a type letter A, letter E, letter L, and letter R on the 2017 issues. And next is the 200 rupees, which is the same as on the 500 rupees. Mahatma Gandhi on the left center, the Ashoka is right, and also the windowed security thread, and also the marks for the blind on both sides, bearing the same signature, Governor Urjit Patel. On the back side is the Sanchi Stupa on the right center, a watermark area on the left side, followed by the 30 rupees dated 2017. Also Mahatma Gandhi on left center, the telescopic serial number. The security thread now is not windowed like on the 200 and the 500 rupees. The back side is the Hampi with chariot on the center, and also the same signature of the Reserve Bank of India Governor Urjit Patel, followed by the 10 rupees dated 2018 with same pictures like the other denominations, which is Mahatma Gandhi on the left center, Ashoka pillar at right. Also the telescopic serial number is and the same signature, Urjit Patel, Reserve Bank of India Governor. On the back side is showing the Sun Temple Konark at right center, and same security thread as on the 50 rupees, and same watermark. This is the last note of the 6 pieces current issue, the 1 rupee. This 1 rupee issued is started 2015, but this note I'm showing to you is dated 2017, and instead of the Reserve Bank of India in top heading, this 1 rupee, the top heading is Government of India. The same with the previous issue, showing the old coin upper right, bearing the signature of the Secretary of Minister of Finance instead of the Reserve Bank of India Governor Urjit Patel. So this is the example of the type with the letter L type. If you could see the letter L on the center of the serial numbers. On the back side showing the offshore oil drilling and the year date 2017 at the bottom. So here is the second part or the previous full set of the Reserve Bank of India. The set contains of 7 denominations from 1,000 rupees, 500 rupees, 100 rupees, 50 rupees, 20 rupees, 10 rupees, and 5 rupees. They are all very beautiful. This is the reverse side of the Reserve Bank of India. Most of these notes are dated 2013 and dated 2012, but I know that these currencies are still in circulation right now. They still can be used with the new issues with the set with 2,000 rupees. Again, we will start the discussion with the 1,000 rupees dated 2013. Mahatma Gandhi at the right side, watermark on the left side. Same portrait of Mahatma Gandhi on the watermark. Reserve Bank of India on top center. The windowed security thread also with the serial number on top right and on the lower left, which are different in color. The blue serial number on top right and the red serial number on the left bottom, and also bearing the signature of D. Subbarao. The backside showing the allegory of the development of Indian economy. Also the 1,000 rupees on 3 corners and the year date on the bottom dated 2013. Followed by the 500 rupees dated 2013. Also Mahatma Gandhi on the right and the RBI or the Reserve Bank of India on top center, and also the watermark area with the portrait of Mahatma Gandhi. 500 denomination at center and the right and the red serial number on top right and lower left with the same signature of D. Subbarao. And on the back side showing Mahatma Gandhi leading followers, and also the 500 rupees in 3 corners and the dated 2013 on the bottom. Followed by 100 rupees dated 2012. It's also the same portrait of Mahatma Gandhi at right and also the Reserve Bank of India on top center. The 100 rupees on center and watermark on the left side with same portrait of Mahatma Gandhi with the red serial number on top right and all the lower left and bearing the signature of D. Subbarao, and on the back side showing the Himalaya mountains in the center and the 100 nominations in 3 corners and the year date on the lower bottom. Followed by this 50 rupees dated 2012. Same pictures on the 100 rupees with Mahatma Gandhi on the right side. And on the back side is the Parliament House at the center and the 50 denominations in 3 corners and the year date on the lower bottom. Followed by 20 rupees dated 2013, also with the same pictures like on the 50 rupees and 100 rupees. Also the same signature RBI Governor or the Reserve Bank Governor D. Subbarao. And on the back side of this 20 rupees is the coconut trees on the seashore. Also the 20 rupees in 3 corners with the watermark area on the right side and the year date on the lower bottom. Followed by this 10 rupees dated 2013 with same pictures of the same denominations of 20 rupees and 50 rupees. The same signature of D. Subbarao, the Reserve Bank of India Governor. And on the back side is the portrait of the tiger, rhino, and the elephant on the left center, and the 3 denominations in 3 corners dated 2013 on the bottom. And on the last denomination on this series is the 5 rupees, no date issue, but these issues started 2002 to 2008 with the same features on the other denominations, but now this bearing the signature of the Reserve Bank of India Governor Bimal Jalan. The backside showed the farmer plowing with his tractor. This is the bleed set, the previous issue of the Reserve Bank of India. Now, my very special shout out to a very dear friend and a colleague of my daughter who complimented this full set of Reserve Bank of India. In the name of Sir Raj Michael Nancy, shout out to you, sir, and to your family, and to every one of you who previously working with my daughter, Ma'am Jasmine, Dubai and Abu Dhabi. So before I will end up this video, again, I would like to say thank you very much to all of you kabayan, OFW, and all Indian friends out there for watching my videos. Please feel free to comment down below, and please like, share and subscribe, and push the bell button to keep you updated on my next videos. Apu Jabay Knowledge Channel loves you more. Keep safe and God bless all of us. Mabuhay Pilipinas and Namaste India.